Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to use Brevo to send professional emails. Brevo is an amazing tool for creating beautiful customizable email campaigns that will help you engage your audience, whether for market, business, or professional outreach. Let's dive right in. Before we send our first email, we need to set up our Brevo account. First of all, head over to Brevo's website, and click on sign up button, or now enter your email address and create a strong password from here. Then click sign up again. Then verify your email address from your inbox. Brevo also offers a free trial, so you can explore. You can explore the features without committing to a paid plan right away. Now that we are inside Brevo, let's take a quick look at the dashboard. On the left side, you can also sign up with your Google account. Then add address like that. Then follow down screen instructions. And complete the verification process. Now that we're inside Bravo, let's take a quick look at the dashboard. On the left side, you will see options like campaigns, templates, audience, and reports. Campaigns is where you can manage all your email campaigns. Templates allows you to choose or customize email templates. Audience is where you manage your contacts and email lists. Reports will show you how your email are performing. You will be spending most of your time in campaigns and templates to create and send your emails. Let's get started with creating our first email campaign. Just click on create campaign to begin. You will be prompted to choose a campaign name and select your email list. Choose a name for your campaign that's easy to identify. Under audience, select the contact list you want to send the email to. You can also import contacts here if needed. Once you have set this up, click on next to move on the next steps. Now we're get into the fun part, designing your email. Bravo makes this easy by offering both pre-designed email templates and the ability to fully customize your design. To start, you can either select template, choose from a variety of templates designed for different email types like newsletters, promotional offers, or announcements. Design from scratch. If you prefer, you can start with a blank template and use Bravo's drag and drop editor to add text, images, buttons, and more. Use the text blocks to add headlines, paragraphs, or calls to action. Add images using the image block and make sure they are optimized the image size. Customize the colors and fonts to match your branding. You can also preview your email as you go, so you can see exactly how it will work, how it will look on both desktop and mobile devices. Next, let's personalize our email. Personalizing your email can increase engagement and open rates. Brevo allows you to easily add merge tags that will pull in personal information like the recipient's first name directly into the email. For example, instead of saying hello, you can write hello first name, and Bravo will automatically insert the recipient's name when the email is sent. You can also segment your audience and send targeted emails to specific groups like loyal customers or new subscribers. This is a great way to make your emails feel more tailored and relevant. Just create a campaign or templates. Now let's add some links and calls to action to our email. Your email should guide the recipient to take action like visiting your website, signing up for a webinar, or purchasing a product. You can add buttons that like a link to your landing pages, store, and other store or other important pages. To add a button, just drag it into the email editor, customize the next text, and link it to the desired URL. Before sending your email to your entire list, it's important to test it. Brevo gives you the option to send a test email to yourself or a team member. This allows you to review the email's design, check for any typos or broken links, and ensure everything looks good on different devices. Once you are happy with the design and have tested everything, it's time to send your email. Click on send now to send the email immediately. And that's it. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching.